Hey there, welcome to the Nerd Lair. Got some more Revolution tins. I'm here with Diesel Dan.
What up?
I'm here with Old Man Strength.
Yep.
AKA my brother-in-law and my dad. And it is my wife's birthday, so we got a little party at our house. But Diesel Dan found these tins that I had previously opened up on the channel, so go check out that video if you want to hear more about them. He found them for 15 bucks, which is a great deal. And I don't know why they did that, but it's fine with me. So, lucky knife. Let's crack this baby wide open. We're going to do a little pack battle here. Tin battle. But we got to kind of go quick because we got more guests coming over. So, and let's take a look here. Yeah, see, did not get a graded card in here. But I did get a Shockwave of Jahmyr Gibbs. So yeah, you are not guaranteed the graded card. When I got that Caleb Williams, we were curious. It does say 1 in 10 boxes, but nonetheless, sweet card.
I didn't trade for that Jahmyr Gibbs. Just letting you know.
All right, well, as always, trades are okay.
Gibbs. What does that look like?
All right, let's hop into these packs fairly quickly. So this could be a long video. We're going to all try to cook through them a little bit. Colston Loveland, I pulled his card last time, his rookie. We got Travion. Take that. Theo Johnson and Zach Bond. All right. I like the Travion. I'm going to keep my rookies separate here.
Zach Bond, Wisconsin. Name.
Yep, I do like Zach Bond, one of my favorite linebackers in the league. Him and Quay. And Edge is my number one. Oh, let's see here. We got a Quinn Ewers, which I really liked him in college. So I like that. Ooh, T.O. Gridiron Legacy. That's a PC one for me. I really like T.O. Jalen Johnson and Rome Odunze. Okay, Jalen Johnson's a green. That's kind of cool. And a Rome. I attract bear cards in these things. Like the last 10 I opened, I got a ton of bear cards. This is a special card, so I'm going to leave those special cards right there. I do love this product a lot. I know you don't have a shot at anything super amazing, but I really love the cards you get. Ty Felton rookie. Ooh, Lamar Stargazing. Love that card.
Numbered?
No. I used to really open up a lot of this. We got a Dalton Schultz and a Brian Thomas Jr. Man, I wish he was having a better year. BTJ.
He got hurt too many times.
Opened this a lot when it was an NBA product only. Back in the 2020, 2019 time period. 2021. And now I love that it's football. Who do we got here? Terrence Ferguson rookie. We got a Quinn Ewers again, so it's the Quinn Ewers box. Colston Loveland again, but on a special card. And then Justin Fields.
That special card is numbered, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a cool one. Not numbered. Not numbered.
Huh.
But it's rookie. Colston Loveland and Quinn Ewers season. Ooh, Cam Ward. Cam Ward. Not too bad there.
It's no Jackson Dart.
And Omarion Hampton. Two good rookies. Ooh, Jamal Lewis. What? Ooh, on the special. Another PC guy for me. Getting a couple cool older guys. And then Kelsey. There's a Diesel Dan favorite.
Hey, tight ends is worth that.
Speaking of tight ends, one of my good friends has a tight end wall at his house. He puts all of his cards on a wall. Who do we got here? Emeka! Let's go. Emeka Egbuka. Kurt Warner. Another one of the guys that I really enjoy watching. Ooh, numbered card here. Tank Bigsby, though. That had to be my numbered.
Ouch.
Numbered out of 199, Tank Bigsby. And then I got a Julian Love. So a plethora of good rookies here. All right.
Diesel, you're next.
I got an Emeka, and I am a happy camper.
Last one, the best one, last.
No? You're going next. So.
Oh. All right. If we want to
He
see
did
the
buy him. He did buy him.
if we want to see the best cards Second.
Or right here.
That's all right.
Because I've got it graded.
How do you know? You could hear it?
I just know. Faith, trust, hope.
Yeah, that's not graded.
Yeah, there's a bigger clang when you do it.
That's all you can tell in these boxes. Hate to tell you, everybody, that.
There was only a couple left though when he was trying to get them
But
And they were also in a weird spot. They were back in the baby
by the
section.
toys. Yeah.
mine,
In the
I
baby
got
section.
Patty Mahomes. Sweet. Like that one better. And I did not get a graded card, that's for sure. As we thought. But it is a Derrick Henry.
Hey, sweet.
Looks like we
Wearing Derek right now. Wearing his jersey.
might
So,
have a free
here we go.
picture. What's going on here?
Let's give her some quickness here. Some legitness. Tajay Spears. Isaac Tesla as the rookie card. Nice.
First, I thought that was Ladd McConkey.
Riley Leonard. That's a rookie. And Arroyo. I think that's a rookie too, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Got 3 rookies out of 4. That isn't bad. Wow. Not easy to get these open. Oh, are you kidding me? Another Riley Leonard. Oh. Corey Dillon. David Njoku. That's the Galaxy one, I think. Cosmo.
Ooh,
Sorry.
that's a nice one coming up.
Ooh, Ashton Gente. Futures. Rookie card. Nice. And Riley Leonard again. Rookie Revolution. Or nope, that's just a regular rook. The other guests are arriving, so we better hurry up. Travis Etienne Jr. Heath Miller. We'll want a special Galaxy card, or Cosmo card. Ooh, Earl Campbell.
You're getting a
Right
lot of
on
like,
Legacy.
retired players.
Yeah, I like that card. And Jalen Royals as the rookie. This is not the most comfortable seat to sit in. I liked it when we were at his desk here. Oh my goodness. My legs are gonna fall apart here. Oh boy. Geno Smith. Not the greatest. Tank Bigsby again. On the Cosmo. Stargazing. Mike Evans. And there's my Kyle McCord rookie. Not going good so far. Yeah, we got a Bear fan in the audience here now. So, Greg Rousseau. They're going to be in first place for one more this last week here. There's a Cosmo again. No rookie this time. Will Howard, is that who it is? Yep. New Wave. And the rookie is Mason Taylor from the Jets. this be the first time that my son's pack is maybe even better than mine? I think so. Oh boy, I can't get this stupid thing open. Last pack mojo. Let's hope. I don't think you can get any autographs or anything in here. Sam Darnold having a good year. Mikhail Williams. There's a good one. Tyler Warren, Futures card. And not bad for the last card, Travis Hunter, rookie card. Alright, wasn't the worst, wasn't the best, that's for sure.
Well graded card, that's killer.
It's right here.
I'm sure people shook them all over at Walmart first.
Oh boy. I gotta try to get up out of this thing.
Alright, so Diesel Dan here now. Got a Jalen Hurts tin. Like everyone said, found these at our local Walmart.
I got one numbered card.
And no graded card either. But my special card is Ashton Genty.
Oh, nice.
So
That's a good one.
I think the two best special cards were the Jameer and the Genty now. We've got AJ Green, Derrick Henry on the special, Gridiron Legacy, Tony Dorsett, and then Emeka Ibuka as the rookie. Ooh, we got Cam Ward. Stargazing Joe Burrow.
Oh, nice.
Cortland Sutton. And Josie Jewell. Ooh, Jaden Daniels. Richard Sherman on the special. Oh, quarterback city of Jalen Hurts, New Wave. And then Terrence Ferguson as a rookie. We got Zach Bond. Ricky.
Oh, gonna have to trade.
See.
Side.
Doug Williams. And Jalen Milroe. Ooh, the Sun God, Amon-Ra. Achane, Stargazing Josh Allen,
Okay, your box is the best so far.
and Jack Beach.
Maybe not the best rookies, but you get the best inserts so far.
Uh-huh. Kill you with the inserts, though. Dalton Schultz, Jacoby Myers, Cam Ward, New Wave, and then another Ashton Genty.
Well, now he's got best rookies too. All right. As always, thanks for watching and have a good one.